Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is our channel where we show you how life is in Lucca.
And in the Tuscan hills.
I love cooking traditional food.
And we love exploring our beautiful part of the world.
So please subscribe and welcome
to Piazza Talk Lucca.
Ciao a tutti. Summer is coming in. It is getting warm now. I don't know, we have 28 degrees, which is 83, 84 Fahrenheit, and I find it very pleasant. So we start needing summer food, and what is more summery than pasta con zucchini? Do you like it, Celia?
I love it.
Yes. It is a very simple recipe, nice, healthy, and does not take a long time to cook. Probably 20 minutes, more or less. You need a small number of ingredients. This is what we have. First of all, we need the zucchini, or courgette, depends how you call them. Fresh garlic, olive oil, Parmigiano Reggiano, and pasta. And I recommend good quality pasta. About pasta, it's very important that you buy good pasta because you want to have a gourmet experience. So good pasta makes a difference. You might like to watch the video that I posted some time ago about how to choose the right pasta, and I'm leaving the link in the description box. I also like to choose interesting pasta for this recipe. In particular, this recipe like very much this shape of pasta. This brand, I call them letrecce because it's twist. Treccia means flat in Italian, but some of the manufacturers call it casereccie. And we also need another ingredient that is not on the table. It is a fresh basil leaves, so I have to go to our plantation on the balcony to get it. This is the basil we planted, so I want to cut it this way so the plant will grow healthily. So, let me see this one. This one. I think it is enough for the two of us. I have already washed the zucchini, and now I'm going to remove the two hands. Now we need this grater, and we need these holes. We want to have a kind of medium size chips of zucchini. Okay, let's start.
Could you do it in a food processor if you want?
If you got the right blade, there are so many different blades. Yes, get the right blades as long as you have not a puree, but little strips, With this thing goes everywhere, but anyway, we can clean it. It looks more efficient to do it this way on the board. It's less messy. Okay, it's done. And now peel the garlic. Okay, I think 3 cloves is more than enough. Cut it in small pieces. Okay. This is the water for the pasta. Okay, we can add salt. And while the water is getting hot, we are going to add some olive oil in the frying pan, this shallow pan, just to cover the bottom, so probably a couple of tablespoons. Okay, very low heat, so it might take a few minutes. So we are going to add now the garlic first and wait until slowly becomes golden. Now the garlic is getting golden brown, so some people remove the garlic, some other people keep it. So should have a democratic vote. Do you like to keep it or you want to remove it?
Keep.
Keep. So democratically we add the zucchini to the thing here. We don't remove the garlic.
You're voting for it too.
Yes, we voted for the same thing. So okay. This courgette, they have obviously a lot of water, so I'm going to turn the heat up and we are going to cook them for around 10 minutes. And while they're cooking, I'm going to season them. So add salt, and ground pepper. Pepper, if you like it, you can add it. If you don't, it doesn't matter. We like it. Not too much, otherwise it becomes too strong because the zucchini got a delicate flavor. And now the water is boiling, so we can put the pasta in. They say here 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, probably 10 we have al dente pasta. Now we read in the press that the price of pasta has gone up, but we actually cannot confirm that because it seems that in some cases it's going down. So what is happening in your country? Has the pasta gone up in price?
Here we have lots of special offers all the time.
Yes, I mean the pasta we had here, pasta this manufacturer, we not touch a freezer then, so just our experience. Was an offer in supermarket. We got it for I think 78 cents for a packet, and it is high quality pasta with no pesticide and sort of things that so.
How much is that in dollars?
$1, something like this, just under $1, $1.
And in sterling?
Oh, sterling is. I'll check and write it down in the when I edit the video.
Pretty good at math, you think?
Yes, I don't know the exchange rate of the pound at the moment. Now the zucchini are ready, and I can turn it off. The pasta needs another 5 minutes. Now pasta is nearly ready, so I'm going to give the courgette just a burst of heat. Okay, the pasta is ready, so I'm going to drain it with my schimarola.
And you undercook it a bit when you do this, don't you?
Yes.
So you don't...
Yes, I like to make it very al dente, then finish it off. In this case, saltata, sometimes we say. Saltata in padella, jumped in the frying pan. And if it gets too dry, you might like to add a little bit of pasta water that also contains starch, so it helps the sauce to be more creamy. So the undercooked pasta absorbs the water that has been added a minute ago, and now looks ready. So the water has been absorbed, and we can serve it. And now I add some fresh basil. I tell this with my hands. The flavor, the aroma is wonderful. Okay, mix it.
You might think we're by the sea, but we're not.
Ah, because we have an invasion of seagulls.
Yeah.
And we need to add cheese. Then the secret ingredient, a drop of olive oil. Well, just to decorate. What do you think, Sia?
Bellissimo.
Okay, better test it. What do you think?
Let me try it first. And I think one of the nice things about this is that sometimes it's really nice to have just really simple flavors. We're so bombarded with sauces and hot things, and these very pure, delicate flavors. Somehow it's very comforting. It's delicious. I don't know if pasta can be refreshing. It's kind of refreshing.
Good pasta.
And I find it. I really just love these delicate flavors and not always being bombarded by strong flavors. Though I love, hot things and strong things, but just sometimes this simply is delicious. An ambulance is passing. So, buon appetito, everybody. And if you've got zucchini from your vegetable garden, the best.
If we can add something, we have done the traditional recipe today, but one of the next videos I would like to do another recipe a bit more eccentric, using lemon zest, mint, and other things to.
Which we also enjoy very much.
Yes, we do use actually a lot mint and lemon zest, but as you said, every so and so we need to go back to our traditions.
And just simple flavors, just simple things, just to realign our palates, I think. So, buon appetito, and ciao ciao a tutti.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, leave a like and activate the notification bell. You just need a Google account and it's free. It helps our community enormously. Thank you very much.